Welcome back, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best 5060 Ti pre-built PCs. Building a PC isn't for everyone. Sometimes you just want to plug in, fire up your favorite game, and drop frames on your enemies, not your system. So today we're checking out some of the best 5060 Ti pre-built PCs that slap right out of the box. Let's get into it. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth 5060 Ti pre-built PC on our list is the AVGPC Max Series Gaming PC, priced at $1,199.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. For the hood, you're getting an AMD Ryzen 7 5700X, 8 cores, 16 threads, and up to 4.6 gigahertz boost. That's solid for gaming, streaming, and productivity. Of course, it's paired with the new RTX 5060 Ti with 8 GB of GDDR7V RAM. You get 32 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 megahertz, good enough for gaming, streaming, and most creative workloads. Storage is handled by a 1 terabyte M.2 NVMe SSD, Gen 3 or 4 depending on board, fast enough for quick boots and game loads. Cooling is handled by a 240mm AIO liquid cooler. Combined with multiple ARGB fans in the Max ATX case, airflow is not a problem. The PSU is 650-watt gold-rated, stable, and future-proof enough for mid-tier upgrades. The case is clean, white, with decent cable management options. It's also upgrade-friendly with 4 DIMM slots and support for bigger coolers or GPUs. Now, there's one limitation here, though. The 5700X is AM4, so future-proofing is limited. However, this is actually fine for budget or entry-level GPU upgrades in the future. Our team recommends this for gamers who prefer a budget-friendly 5060 Ti pre-built. The fourth 5060 Ti pre-built PC on our list is the iBUYPOWER Slate 9 Black Gaming PC Desktop, priced at $1,499.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This build runs on the AMD Ryzen 5, 8400F, A6 core, 12-thread Zen 4 CPU with a 4.2 GHz base and 4.7 GHz boost. It's efficient, stable, and performs well enough for 1080p and 1440p gaming, as well as everyday productivity and streaming. Graphics are handled by the RTX 5060 Ti with 8 GB of GDDR7V RAM, giving you high bandwidth performance for modern games and ray tracing with DLSS support. Expect smooth gameplay in most titles at high settings in 1080p, with flexibility to push into 1440p. Memory comes in at 16 GB of DDR5 RGB RAM, offering faster performance and better responsiveness over DDR4. For storage, you get a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, more than enough for your OS, games, and key software with fast boot and load times. The case is the Slate 9 Black sharp design, decent airflow, and clean internal layout. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done. The third 5060 Ti pre-built PC on our list is the AVGPC Blizzard, priced at $1,399, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This rig is powered by the Intel Core i9-11900KF, 8 cores, 16 threads with a base clock of 3.6 gigahertz and a turbo boost max of 5.2 gigahertz. It's a last-gen chip, but don't sleep on it. It still absolutely shreds in most modern games and workflows. Of course, the GPU is an NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti, but this time we're working with the 8GB GDDR7 variant. That's still next-gen memory with good bandwidth, which is great for 1080p ultra gaming, and 1440p if you're not going max ray tracing on every title. And like the previous build, you get a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, again, lightning-fast load times, snappy Windows boots, and plenty of room for your favorite AAA titles. The Blizzard packs 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM at 3,200 MHz, slightly slower than DDR5, but still more than enough for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Now, the highlight here is the 360mm liquid cooler. That's top-tier cooling for a CPU that runs hot under load. So if you're gaming for hours or doing heavy rendering, temps are staying frosty. Powering it all is an 850-watt gold-graded PSU, which is overkill for this setup, but in a good way. It leaves you room for future GPU upgrades without sweating voltage drops or efficiency issues. Visually, the TD500 mesh white case is a standout, excellent airflow, clean lines, and packed with ARGB fans that sync perfectly with your build, plus built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and it's VR-ready right out of the box. Not a deal breaker, but DDR4 is now getting phased out in premium builds, so if you're trying to stay ahead of the curve long-term, just something to keep in mind. Our team recommends this for users who want great thermals and quieter operation thanks to the 360mm AIO liquid cooler. The second 5060 Ti pre-built PC on our list is the Skytech Azure, priced at $1,329.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. Under the hood, we've got an AMD Ryzen 7 7700, clocked at 3.8 GHz, but with Turbo Boost, it cranks up to 5.3 GHz. That means fast single-core performance for gaming and solid multi-core chops for streaming, editing, or multitasking. It's paired with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti with 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM. That means better efficiency and faster performance across newer titles. If you're playing modern games on high or ultra settings at 1080p, this card's going to chew through them. It also includes a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD that's 30 times faster than a traditional HDD. Basically, boot times are instant, games load fast, and everything feels snappy. Additionally, it features 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM at 5,200 MHz. That's more than enough for gaming, streaming, and running background apps all at once. Now let's talk cooling. It supports up to 9 fans, comes pre-installed with 3, including 2 reverse blade ARGB fans on the side and 1 exhaust on the rear, spinning up to 1,500 revolutions per minute. Add in support for 360mm or 240mm radiators on top, and you've got good airflow. Port-wise, it's got the essentials HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1. Wi-Fi's built in too, so you're good for wireless gaming, even if you're not near Ethernet. And yeah, it's loaded with RGB because what's performance without some style? One drawback, it has no liquid cooling. If you're overclocking or want ultra-low temps, you may want to upgrade to an AIO cooler later on. Our team recommends this for gamers aiming for high FPS at 1080p or smooth 1440p on high settings. The best 5060 Ti pre-built PC on our list is the Skytech Archangel, priced at $1,599.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Powering this rig is the Intel Core i7-14700F, one of the top contenders in the 14th gen lineup. It packs 20 cores and hits up to 5.3 gigahertz on boost. Graphics are handled by the NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti 16GB GDDR7, a mid-high tier GPU, perfect for 1080p Ultra and even 1440p high with ray tracing on. With DLSS 3.5, you'll get high frame rates and great visuals, especially in modern AAA titles. Storage-wise, you get a generous 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, backed with 32GB DDR5 RGB RAM. With a heat spreader, this thing is prepped for multitasking, AI tools, and even light workstation tasks. Skytech didn't skimp on cooling either. This build features a massive 360mm AIO liquid cooler with ARGB fans. That means no thermal throttling, even under heavy loads. The case itself is designed for airflow efficiency. Its lower chamber uses a perforated design and it stands on elevated legs, giving it full 360-degree intake and exhaust potential. It supports up to 6 fans total, with room for a 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm up top, so airflow is unrestricted and cooling stays top tier. Keep in mind the 14700F is locked, so while it's super powerful, you won't be doing any custom overclocking. Not a deal breaker, but worth noting. Our team recommends this for streamers, video editors, and multitaskers who need serious cooling and RAM. And there you have it, folks, the best 5060 Ti pre-built PCs. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.